Jess here and welcome back to my channel. As I said last week, I will bring to you some simple DIYs but still very pretty this month. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you another simple tutorial. It's the Smock dress, another perfect summer dress. But because I know lots of you are quite nervous or struggle to work with elastic dress, and plus it does take a big time, so we're not using it in this DIY. We will use a small elastic band. It will help your work easier and faster, but it still create a great gathering fabric look. And instead of one design, I will share with you two designs for this dress. It's just a little change at the bottom of the dress, but you will have two completely different looks. The reason I make it is because I want to share with you that from one simple design, you can create many different looks. Two dresses are pretty and I love them both. I can't decide which one I like best. So maybe you can let me know what you think in the comments. And let's start sewing.
The first DIY is the midi version of this dress. I used 2 meters of cotton fabric for this DIY. I cut 2 big rectangles with 110 cm length, which is the length from above my butt to over my knee, and 92 cm width, which is my hip size. Making another horizontal line at the middle between this line to the folding line. There will be the position for the circle fabric I will add there later to create the other fabric holes. Therefore, I cut 2 long rectangles with 3 cm width and 91 cm length, which is 1 cm shorter than the width of the dress. I sew 2 width lines together first. Then I fold 2 ends of the fabric on the length lines inside 1 cm and use the iron to create the folding there. So the circle fabric will look nicer even it's inside the dress. Now I'm adding 2 circle fabrics to 2 horizontal lines I drew before that. Then sewing at 2 sides of the circle fabric. Don't forget to keep a small unsewed space at one side of the circle fabric for the elastic band to go through. The position for the front thighs will be the middle of its breast, which is around 22 cm. Then copy the same for the back thighs. And we finished the midi version of this dress. To make the short version with tears for this dress, I used 2 meters of cotton fabric in yellow gingham. I cut 2 rectangles with 40 cm length, which is the length from the shoulder to the belly button, and 62 cm width, which is 1.5 times a half of my bust size. Using the same way to make the top of the midi version dress to make the top of the short version one. To make the bottom of the dress with 2 more tiers, I cut 2 rectangles with 40 cm length in total, which is the length from the belly button to above my knee. The measurement of the first tier is 20 cm length, which is a half of the length of the bottom part, and 186 cm width, which is 1.5 times the width of the top part. The measurement of the second tier is 20 cm length, which is the same with the first tier, and 279 cm width, which is 1.5 times the width of the first tier. On the second tier, I connect 2 length lines together to create a circle fabric first. Then on one width line, I fold the end fabric inside 2 times and sew to finish it. The last step is connecting the bottom to the top of the dress. And I finished this DIY. Here are my final result. Both designs are so beautiful. Each of them will give a different look, so you can wear it for the different occasions. And it's very easy to make, so I hope you will try it out. See you next week!